Ebusian for GhanaNsem TV GH, message like a comment, subscribe, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for Mami Samira Bawumia, our former second lady of the Republic of Ghana, and also the wife of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, our former vice president and aspiring to become flag bearer or MPP mu. And why there be it has gotten the internet to be talking and he's saying Munim say papa your friend Hopeson Adorye or a former member of the New Patriotic Party or Free Party Nemuko joining Afrafranto Movement for Change. Now after joining with the Movement for Change, they say they're only a UP and yes a UP plus, whether it is UP plus or UP, whatever it is now, they are going to form a political party. Now after forming that political party, and they 40 days celebration for ye papa Apostle Kojo Safo. Ajwa Safo papa. Now, sa 40 days na say no. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia koye and some other great people, big people are any momo nti. Ewo 40 days na say na Hopeson Adorye. Any Afrafranto for omubai. And when me say omabedu there, they have to walk in line and greet the high table. And I say high podium. And yes, sir. Now, sa high podium, no. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia now, and as Ajia Samira Tina Ninchen. Now, Hopeson Adorye, or Chia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Bawumia, one in the Sunday, or so, kama, no problem. Or shaking the hands, wavy, or mukasa, or more senye pleasantries kakra. And a person obe shavy, obe shaky, if any say, Hajia Samira Bawumia. And a Hajia said, Debbie da, and year, ewa ha. Se camera wa ha crampono, se me Samira Bawumia. Me shake Hopeson Adorye, and parry me. And ti Hajia Samira wan shaking no. And ti and I got to the internet speaking. A lot of people are saying, say, wait dear, Samira Bawumia wa yeni ye, and some say, ye nimisema Hopeson Adorye eka fasa mamene. Of bubo of friend no dimbe brave. A friend of prostitute crowd friend allegedly. A bra of free MPP mo. Or chantro be bre and so edi two sama menoso. E can send be bre. Na kufo be bre bisa say aden na politics entina. You go ahead to defame a woman to this manner. Just say you don't care about her reputation. You don't care about what the husband will feel. You don't care about what she will feel. You don't care about what the children will feel. All because of politics. Because you support a candidate and that candidate could not win an internal contest. And you launched yourself against the woman. Now, after doing all these things there, you want to come and meet her in public and you expect her to greet you. Hajia Samira said, Debbie, on your bida. Now, this has gotten a lot of people to actually come and support the woman. So, as for this one, dear, because one thing I say, SQ, or a politics, making things personal. Yeah. So, only politics a game of ideas. If you don't agree with me, you give your alternative. Maybe you don't agree with MPP because MPP is prioritizing roads when you should be prioritizing schools. No problem. You don't want Bawumia to become flag bearer because Bawumia does not have the right ideas. It's Alan. No problem. But when you go and say, be a prostitute, be you say, no dear. You don't finish doing that and come and smile. And see, Ajia Samira greeting Hopeson Adorye today will have been hypocrisy on her side. Because clearly, she's hurt. She's on agreement with what was done to herself and the husband. If we get women who stand up for their husbands, the way we have seen Hajia Samira Bawumia do today, and the way we saw Mama Rebecca do in January for Akufo-Addo, I think that the world will become a better place. Let me use this opportunity to thank all our viewers who are supporting this show by making donations. If you are here to donate, Ghana say there, buying data and stuff is not easy. So kindly pick the number on your screen and send us something so that we can use it to buy data. We can use it to change some of our equipment and feed you with good content as we always do. I will see you in the next one. A video is up next.
Hopeson Adorye Bawumia, and I didn't know anything more. A group of Samira and I didn't know and it's one more and I will put your so and also for Kabina and Siama Kajabraja. So I didn't know anything of them. Almost I'm a friend of the one also after so hard.
Once again, we'd like to say a very big thank you to the wife and children of the late lawyer Samira and his wife and children supporting the honorable GhanaNsem with 1,000 Ghana cedis. So once again, to the widow and children of lawyer Samira, we say thank you and may the Lord bless you.
GE 773625 GE 773625. What happened to
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency Dr. Bawumia, His Excellency Dr. Bawumia, a former Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, is now there sharing words of love with the children, together with his entourage. Alhaji Dr. Bawumia, the family is grateful to you. Thank you very much for the legacy of our beloved father also endures.
Abusia 2028 elections na ye kono SMPP e present candidate ne ho ye kroje ne ho ninki kan e bia keta se proye dream kankan embo ne ho onye corrupt obi a wonye kromfo eno ebetimi aboa MPP ama yetimi a prosecute your campaign ye without having issues with defending obi kron no ana se corruption na wakwakoye na nipa mienu a MPP presidential prime minister ekoso yo omatu ehuregi na nim a omusi akan eyeyera Dr. Bawumia ene MPP Judas kene Japan yenhwe omumienu eba no corruption ho nsem a sani esi fate na ne edikan yentie ensem asofo ekafa Dr. Bawumia ho when it comes to corruption and after to civil society organizations a omo omo ku ketasehye ene proye omo so ne omo ka efa eye Dr. Bawumia ho ye wi a ye behwe eye Kennedy Japan so ono ankasa asem a waka afa ne ho when it comes to corruption.
The ecclesiastical body and the clergymen and all of us here have observed that you are one politician that cannot be tagged with the issue of corruption. Permit me to say that, Your Excellency, it appears you are corruption-free.
Let me say that I also hold the view that on the basis of what I've heard from people, I would want to trust the Vice President's integrity when it comes to matters of corruption. In fact, I have had several occasions of interacting with persons within the MPP who have said that one of the biggest challenges for the Vice President in terms of this presidential or flag bearership race would be the opinion people have of him, that he is quite stingy. He doesn't give. Contractors, approach him, and on the basis of certain terms, the Vice President would not agree.
Yeah, the nickname they have given him around that is nice to see you, good to see you. Yes. They say that's all he's known for, good to see you, because he won't do anything else apart from saying good to see you. And some people are not happy about that he won't do the usual thing.
So Dr. Bawumia has been in public service for decades. Dr. Bawumia, no, a research assistant at Bank of Ghana, or a deputy governor of Bank of Ghana, or a African Development Bank, Juma, on a World Bank, and IMF, near other institutions, and Sawaso. And son, our Vice President of the Republic of Ghana for 8 years. Obi aniwa owo man Ghana emu ana say amonone a obetimi ede ne nsansi nebo ede ne nsa kire Dr. Bawumia eso say oye corrupt ana oye kronfo ana se wawia ne taku ana wawia ne tro ana waje bribe da obi antimi nkasa Dr. Bawumia ne hu ni kikan bia onye corrupt en asofo mpo egitum si esusa wo mo ku ketasehye ne proye kram etimi gina radio su ni TV su edi ne hu adanse. That means that Dr. Bawumia ne hu esu ne hu ye clean ne hu ye white it say snow. Now yentie Kennedy Japan MPP Judas on also ne woka efa ne hu when it comes to corruption.
All rich politicians are thieves. Read my lips. Read my lips. When they are coming, look at their shoes.
All rich politicians
they are thieves.
Does
that include you? I'm a businessman. That's why I said that.
But you are also a politician.
Yeah, so you can add me too. We are all thieves. Yeah, because look, you see.
Yes, you are charming only Masabo Kaosenana, where they was more, where the MPP delegates, Mama Suma. Can I Japan Kasana Adia to so or no, or your crown for? Or your crown for. Now, or your crown for MPP flag bearership position there, FR Home or crown for the MPP flag bearership position, FR Home MPP for Monte way on one Kasana Adia to say or your crown for. We know as flag bearer of MPP, that means so baby we are MPP is Sika at the honor. MPP Sika na or baby we are. Sika see a debo party in home brano. We from for so me do anymore, obey we Sikano. And you see, some people will say, I like an Japan honest or kind of correct. Most are for no, imagine mueha. Most are for no, imagine mueha. And I say, you had a very bad parenting, you have a rough upbringing, and our Becca says, more walking positive now or kind of correct. You see, Obinya could do try TV, so can say, me a crown for that means the person doesn't respect you. That is the height of disrespect. Say, Obi, ebe we are there, Obi ya crown for now, Obenya confidence, no. Obenya that guts ejina wani maka say I me ye kronfo without inhu bia or unapologetic in admitting to criminality. That means nipa no won fa wonya hwe nipa no ye hardened criminal watoto nani are no blatantly obetimi abokro no without looking say obi hwe na say obi nhwe, and that is dangerous. And you see, if you present somebody like an Japan MPP Judas to a 2028 elections now, you have given NDC ammunition to use against us because we on one admit say or you conform, and easy for anybody to use against him. And NPP as a party, we cannot defend Kenya Japan against Onuankasa ne asem, against Onuankasa ne admission of criminality. Say what you corrupt or you conform. This is something that you guys need to avoid. Kenya Japan ne hun sem bebre Onuankasa ne asem ebe collapse in the campaign. But Dr. Bawumia there, everybody in Ghana knows onya criminal. Obi anim say onya corrupt. Until we need to present Bawumia so that we can have easy sailing in campaign because of 2028 near Timmy winning elections with ease.
Dear na Attorney General no Omampani, are you aware? William Hobi, a DNC and the Nipana Yesusa were your prime suspects, no? Ye giant is an assemble, young twasso. Gaga. The Omumpe and one of me, Abusiama, Stephen Chiwaya, but when you saw Bell like now, I say, we are commenting, Yanku Punshaw, Yana me pay engagement in the power. I feel found some plus button, yes, now follow me for trending issues. Of course, my cat was the idea, Temwaha, intellectual analysis, now feel you're back with science and data. Me criticizing so, but very constructively, not destructively. Ghanaian by birth, but Asantini by grace. Abusia. Yes, shall see.
3, 2, 1.
Aya na ya me ya pa. So obi be gina ba bia ka se politicians en kanokre. Aya na ya me ya. Nanso empani se anansi wofia. Aya ye musa de onwene ntentan. De entia. Anioma bia ma politicians no eye no omo nsem bia ya wo mo ka. Ema obi dibem so be ka se Ghanaian politicians en kanokre. Abusia me pese wo hunu nipakuo ene nkrofo a aya anamo moto aba e de ma wo mo. Prior to 2024 elections, your mampani anu aye den candidate Mahama John ekogina Willensi ekwohye bobi ka kire Willensi fo nyina se mo amode hye friend Ahmed Swali obi ekunu yaya ya hu nipakro aban a wote so aye kufu ado aban emfa ho onye na gbi so be nhwemu bia nanso me samutu abane mame na se me ba baabi anipakro di ewu ni wo bia no meche no ampa Willensifo de wose ayoyo eto aba no e de ma omampani Mahama John abusia mi tumre na ma kire osie take and watch.
This is the hometown of Ahmed Swali, the journalist who was murdered in cold blood and whose killers up till today have escaped justice. And I want to assure the people of this constituency and his family that when I'm elected, we would use all the forces available to us by the state to find those who killed him and bring them to justice.
Bravo. Ampa Willensifo de wose ayoyo. Ya to aba no e de ama omampani Mahama John. Eni na enu ani nansa. Yachi nipa bi a yesu se omo ye prime suspect. Ye de sa nipa yi ekokota. Aban lawyer pani a omampani Mahama John e na appointed. Aba be katre Ghana for any court ni say. Sa nipa na yachi na yesu se wo ye prime suspect in the murder case of Ahmed Swali no. Yentimi el continue na sem no. Eti Attorney General a file nolly prosequa. Hey, na misu dia misu hunu kakra na menim dia kakra kire me say ansana aban lawyer pani ebe file nolly prosequa no. Anya hwekra no. Odo omampani obe brief omampani e wo ho. Ana wan brief omampani na ade na Attorney General ye no. Omampani, are you aware? Wunim hubi. Na wunim hubi a DNC ena nipa na yesu se we ye prime suspect no. Ye giant se na asem no. Ye ntoa so. Ghana is not interested e wo na asem ni mo. Abusia entwetwe waso kakra. Na ema wo hu. Na enka wo hwe so. Ufri Willensi. Wunya bi fi Willensi. Ubusia ni bi fi yo. Eni empacho wonte ya. Dia koswo no. Omampani Mahama John. Eni oman lawyer pani ese enipa na yate ne se wokum modehie no. Yenye interested e won case mu bi. Iti yenya no fa no nkonkodi. Anyway, ye be chirem. This is Ghana must know.